and things got worse and worse. They'd always pick on me, and the teacher didn't care. He was a Nazi himself. Although there was one teacher I had who was from Austria, and he was a high official in the Austrian hierarchy for those days. This man was, and he had run away from the Austrian area because he was, well, the Germans overran Austria. You remember that? Yeah.
So was he more sympathetic, or was he also?
No, he was not. He was a high Nazi, but I remember when he left after that annexation of Austria, he went right back to Austria. And I remember he shook my hand when he left, and I remember that. That was amazing. Those are the few of the memories that I have. I know he said goodbye to me. I can still see that in here.